Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is April the 18th, 2022. It might be time for us to rethink Intel. I know many of you may be long-term holders. I know if you're going to hold it for 10 years, have at it, right? You're not looking for the market to really hurt you in a 10-year time span. I get it. But for those who are looking at Intel on a smaller time realm, you might want to rethink this. I'm going to show you all from the charts perspective that the buyers are not here. The buyers are not in the market in Intel right now. Now, before I do, welcome. Yeah, this is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I do price prediction. You guys can see it right now in front of you that my last video did not go right. My last price prediction went against me, and I understand it will happen. I was looking for the buyers to come into Intel, and clearly they did not show up. And when they give me this type of information, I know how to act. I know what I need to do. I need to take the opposite side. Yes. So if you guys appreciate my videos, my content, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to my channel. Tap that bell notification as well, because I'm the one of the realest ones on YouTube, giving you all price predictions without the confusion. If you guys want to learn more, like I said, keep it locked in here. Now check this out. It's probably time for us to rethink Intel, right? If you're looking for the market to go up, which everyone is, let's not get it twisted. Every person, everybody who comes into the market is looking to do one thing, and that is make money. That's it. Everybody who comes in and trades, who comes in, invests, all has the same agenda. It's to make money. So let's keep it real. If the market in Intel is not trending higher, who's making money? The ones who selling the stock. So you can play both sides and still make money, especially if you know how to do options. Now, I did a video in Intel on March the 26th, right? The strength was there. The buyers hinted that they was going to continue to lift Intel's stock price. But look at the result. If the market is not giving me my type of anticipation as to what price is going to do, I know I need to jump ship before the ship sinks. I know that. Now, I'm going to show you something on this price chart that would kind of insinuate that Intel could continue to go lower. Now look at this. I didn't get this last price prediction right. I didn't. Completely went against me. I mean, the market in Intel literally did this. It went up, came back down. Look at that. This is a massive indication to tell you that buyers are not here in Intel. Not right now. This is a clear indication to tell you that the demand, the interest of this stock is not there. It completely ran into a lid right here. This is where the lid is into the market in Intel right there. Okay, so now rather than me seeing this upper area up here as restriction, $68, I could get rid of that right now. I don't need to be paying attention to this area being restriction now, because the price in Intel cannot even break above $52. So I don't need to look up there around $68 right now. We're not even able to see price break above 52. Now look at that. Let me get rid of this because it didn't go right. So if I were to get on the last trade of last week, that's around 11%, which if I know price is going to continue to go lower, I need to take that loss, because if I don't, I'll be maximizing and increasing losses, and we don't want to do that in this game. So let me get rid of that. Now, what do you think about this? What do you think? Is that logical? Could we actually be in a downtrend in Intel? What do you think? Look at that. We've seen the price in Intel get rejected twice already on a downtrend line. It looks as if that this is going to be the concern. This is where the battle is going to be waged between the sellers and the buyers. We have the sellers located here. This is where the sellers are at. Okay. We have the buyers here. These are the strongholds, meaning that the buyers need to definitely come in and keep price propped up around 44, and the sellers definitely need to come in and continue to push down the price on this downtrend line. It's just that simple. So we can actually look, right, on a long-term basis as to which side is actually leaning to winning. So let's look at this on a weekly. Okay. So this is Intel right here on the weekly time frame, and every weekly price bar you see is a week's worth of price action. This is where the weekend started, and we're still seeing weekends now. Now, the only thing that the buyer has going for them is, like I said, we can continue to see the market hold here around $44. They can still hold price there. I'm not crazy. We all know that. Look at the chart. The market has confirmed this area numerous times, right? So we have to pay attention to the buyers to see if they're going to show up again. They got to do it again. Now, let me show you the 2 weeks. Okay. Now, the sad part is for the buyers is that once we saw this 2 weekly price bar right here, this was a definite opportunity for buyers to break the trend, for it to go up, right? When you see this type of price bar, your mind automatically needs to think it's going to go up. And when you see the result and it doesn't happen, then automatically you know that the buyers didn't come through. They failed to capitalize off of their momentum. They wasn't able to do it. This is another massive indication that buyers didn't show up, which leads to us to say that, okay, cool. The market obviously is weak right now. Look at this on the 3 weeks. You see that? Another fantastic 3 weekly price bar right here occurred in Intel, only to see the price come back down. Don't want to see that. 5 weeks. Look at that. This is even weaker. Now, from a 5-week perspective, right? If price breaks below $44, how low do you think the price is going to go then? 40? That would be my next area. It would be 40 to around $36. Wow, I know you guys don't think about that now, do you? About seeing Intel's price go down to $36. That's crazy, right? So let's do this, because from the 5-week time frame, I'm looking for price to break $44 to the downside. That's what I'm looking forward to. Okay, so if I'm looking for price not to hold $44, then I'm going to look a little bit lower. My next area is going to be 40, and then I'm going to look for the market to come alongside this trend. Okay, I'm going to look for it to come alongside this trend to see buyers again. So now I think we got it. Okay, I think we got it. Let's go ahead and hit this back over to the daily. Okay, and this trend line is back in play. All right, the trend line is back in play in Intel. We need to see the market bounce off of this line to confirm the trend. Okay, look at this on a 5-day. This is the trend. This is the area we want to buy Intel. Okay, now I'm looking for the market to come down. I'm not looking for it to hold $44. It can. So let me tell you this. If you still see buying come into the market in Intel around 44, then take that 4%. Like, don't be emotional. Grab the profitability and be happy. Okay, just be satisfied, because obviously the buyers are still there. They find that level attractive. They'll tell us that. So that would be my first area to come in and bag some profitability, is around 44, 3.95%. My second area is going to be around $42.25. That gives us 7.39% profitability. And the third area is going to be down here around 40. Okay, that's what I'm looking at. Now we know that the market couldn't even break above $52, right? So as long as price in Intel trades below that area, we know that the price is still weak. So now this could literally be the play. All right, let me show you how this market really could work. We can see the price in Intel, right? For instance, we can see the market in Intel begin to come down, right? Come down around $44. The buyers step in, begin to lift price. We see the market start to elevate, go around 48, possibly even 50, begin another descending trend, continue to show us the weakness, break $44 to the downside, hit that 42, get a minor bounce, come back down, hit that trend, and begin to finally go up. That's something that we can actually see, given that long-term perspective, right? I'm trying to show you all how this play can actually work. So now I'm going to extend this line here because I want everyone to pay attention to see if the buyers come into the market. That's the last stronghold for real. If price breaks that, then yeah, be prepared for it to come down and test this trend line, which seems more probable given the long-term perspective. All right, so I'm done. It's your turn. I just wanted to drop in, show you a little bit of information I'm getting off the price chart that lets us know what this price is actually trying to do. I'm in position. I want you all to tell me what is your position. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.